thanks for watching Peter's Food Adventures, and today I'm making Maroulosalata, and that is Greek lettuce salad. This isn't like the traditional Greek salad you're thinking of. It is super easy, super delicious, budget friendly, perfect for summer. Let's get started. So now you just want to cut them, almost shred them, about 1/4 inch. I just want to finely slice onions, green onions, spring onions, scallions. Okay, now you want to finely chop some dill. And finally, I mean, this is optional, but a bit of parsley adds some flavor. Now the dressing is super easy. This is just a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. I always put a clove of garlic in there. Some people don't, but you need the flavor of the garlic. Some salt and pepper in there, and the juice of a fresh squeezed lemon. You really need to be about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. You can whisk in a bowl, but it's much better when it's shaken. Okay, so now you want to toss everything, pour the dressing. This is the feta, 4 ounces, 100 grams. Whoops, crumbled on top. I like to serve grilled prawns with it, because how delicious is this?